Jumbo.
With me is Major Severino De Luca of Italian Air Force. Hi.
Hello.
He is by far the most interesting aerobatic performance in an airplane that is definitely not designed for that. Major, can you tell me at what point did anybody think about doing aerobatics in the Spartan?
Well, actually, it's probably it's not appropriate aerobatics with this aircraft. It's more like showing the maneuverability of the aircraft, so the capability of doing maneuvers that only fighters can do, like rolls and aggressive maneuvers. But again, you can call it aerobatics, but it's just to show the public that this aircraft can maneuver like a fighter type. We train, so we rehearse a lot. We try the sequence first at the simulator, then we train in the air, at a higher altitude. And once the sequence is well consolidated, we go back to the airfield and we do the sequence for the qualification before an actual air show. Basically, comes from the predecessor, the G222, a very, very winning platform from Alenia, actually Fiat Italia of the 70s. From the G222, we took the entire structure, so the fuselage, the wings. We replaced a lot of stuff, the engines, the cockpit, it's a brand new cockpit, 5 displays. We got 3, it's called CNIs, actually are like the FMS of civilian aircrafts, and you can fly with 2 guys in the cockpit, many mission profiles, so there's no more flight engineer, no more navigators on board. Again, I was saying glass cockpit, we got the HUD, very, very helpful, so you can fly tactical missions, like low-level parachuting and dropping loads, with the head up, just looking outside. And also we have also the defensive suite with a fully complete, integrated system. Again, the aircraft is very, very maneuverable. We also qualify the aircraft in the air-to-air refueling mode, using the probe, so we can extend further the radius, so the range, in loading, higher payload. As you can see, all the switches are basically automatic. So once you start the engines, you put everything in auto mode, and you just almost forget. Again, very, very versatile machine. Easy to fly, rugged. You can land and take off pretty much from everywhere, and you can fly pretty much everywhere.
And now, exclusively for TangoSix blog, Major De Luca will demonstrate how you do a roll in your transport category airplane.
This is the standard sequence to fly a barrel roll with this aircraft. We start from level flight. You can start from 3 to maybe 600 or 700 feet AGL. Of course, the lower and the more impressive will be the maneuver, but of course you must be very, very precise in what you do. So again, you start from 220 knots, straight and level, parallel along the runway. You just pull 10 to 15 degrees nose high, 220 knots, full power, and you basically just go full left aileron. You just help yourself generating some additional roll, pushing the left rudder. It takes probably 4 to 5 seconds to complete the complete roll. When you roll out, just aggressively just roll out, and then you're ready for the next maneuver. Forces are pretty low because the aircraft is very, very maneuverable. You have also the hydraulic power, helping you out in pulling and rolling. And it's and again, it takes some coordination between you and the co-pilot, but it's feasible. But don't do this at home. Train and do it only if you're qualified to do that on a machine that can fly rolls and and then kind of maneuvers.
Grid Sky Jumbo!